Hi everyone. This video is to give you a brief of, I don't know, there are a lot of confusion. Okay, first of all, we'd like to apologize for the Electa problems of last week. Okay, that said, we most of you missed a lot of things. Okay, so I will just give you the guidance again. So if you go to the has been given to you. Okay, it's available only NMS. If you are not having the access, please get in touch with the admin and he will give you the access. Okay. So now here you have the PPTs. Okay. So the quizzes will be given on a weekly basis to you. Then we have the activities on the PPTs. Okay. And the assignment briefs have been given to you. Okay. Now there's also this which has got shared with you earlier. If you want, I will share with you again. Okay. So the whole assignment brief has been split into the total assignment for 100 marks has got split into tasks. Okay. There are initially 4 activities and then the 5th one is a written report. Now each of this is the weightage is given here 10 marks, 10 marks, 10 marks, 10 marks and 60 marks. Okay. The total is 100 marks. So these are the outcomes on which we'll be working. Okay. So looking at the brief now. So this is all available to you. So please check. And if you're not available, you should get in touch with the admin. Okay. So now this is the brief you had on the LMS, which is available. The 4 LOs have been mentioned there. Okay. And then the written report, it's split into 60 marks, which is shown here. The 60 marks, okay, which should be submitted on 30th. And then these are the activities. Now the quizzes are on covering each LO. You understand a LO? Learning outcome 1, 2, 3, 4. So every week we will do one. And the end of the day, we'll be given a quiz and you will be submitting it in the subsequent days. Okay. So there's a 4 LOs, 4 quizzes. So total of this average will be taken to give you the marks in the end. So video analysis is as given in the your presentations. So if you look at the first presentation, we already shown, okay, the LOs will have mentioning videos also showing the activities. Okay. Now, for example, here, when you look here down, so this is activity. So you select any of the activities once a week. So according to 4C model in your organization or an organization you know well, assess the HRM practices strategies based on C4 model. Okay, now here we are mentioning as a group activity. Okay, so which we have time in the in the groups, which we also did on a man-to-man. I asked you a lot of discussions, questions were there. We covered this. Okay, so now if we get time, we'll do it as a group activity. Otherwise, this activity is very clear. If you look at this is what you're going to submit. Okay, so any of these activities you can use to submit for the weekly activities. See down below also there will be activities. So this is the activities I mentioned in the PPTs and the videos also. So, okay, so now this is a video. So you watch this video and you can submit a video analysis of that. So this is activity. So you can apply this activity and you can submit a essay words, so on. Okay, so every LOs and all the 4 LOs already placed. So you can, if you're smart enough, if I was you, I will go ahead, look at the activities and perform it. Okay, so now performance management video. Okay, activity video. So now it is here, it's mentioned as group. Don't get confused. You have to submit it individually. Okay, so it's a individual marking. So if I may show you the evaluation sheet, some of you have sent the quizzes, some of you already submitted the activities. Okay, so you'll see here quiz 9 marks, 6. So this is, don't worry, the activities and the quizzes will be taken on average basis. So as you learn more, you will be doing more. Okay, so activities, Valid has done well in the activity 9. So if things were not clear, okay, you can still go through the video which has got recording on the LMS and you can still do it. Okay, so coming back to this, the first set, this is the quiz video analysis. So at least we have got 4 LOs. 4 LOs were packed with videos. Okay, so any 2 you need to do. So I get a evidence that you have done the analysis well. Okay, so next is the class activities. Every LOs has got 2 or 3 activities. So it may be mentioned in group or single or whatever. The group means you can, if you want, you can do it in group, but when you're submitting, you have to write individually. Okay, and the presentation is only once. So give a evidence. Now, all this is described very clearly here in the PPT again. Okay, which I will post it again to your group. So video analysis, what you expect to do. Official activities, what you expected to do. Presentation, what you expected to do. Okay, written report, what you expected to do. So it's very clear. Okay, so I'll post this onto your this PPT. It's already put. Again, I'll put it. Okay, for your consumption. And still you have doubts, you can individually put it. I don't mind saying it 10 times to make it very clear to you. Thank you and see you soon.